Today we're with Honest Jardys plumbing service, and we're going to replace this gas water heater, which was put in 1997. And then hook the hose up so he could drain the water out of the tank. After he shuts the main water off, then we got to break the gas valve.
Wow. If you have a problem with the union leaking or you can't get it off, the trick is to tap it. That's an old-time trick, and it loosens it up, and you can tighten it and stop a leak. An old-timer taught me that. Bring nipples and fittings. New water heaters are different. They're bigger in diameter, so you always have a problem with the gas lines. The newer water heaters are much larger because of government regulations. Everything's a government regulation. I used to have an old shop teacher yelling at me for pushing against the movable jaw. It's wrong. It's just like a vice. You got to push against the solid jaw. That's the correct way to use a wrench. Okay. This is what happens when guys don't have the right screws.
We're going to get the old one out of the way. Honest Jardys cutting the box open now. Okay.
That box out of the way?
I'll get it, John. Just hold it.
They have little float traps in there, so now you don't...
Heat traps.
Heat traps.
No, it's a 40-gallon, John.
Yep, putting the tape on.
Same thing as it was.
Is that what that is, 40 gallons?
Yeah.
There we go, and you put that goop on too, huh?
Well,
Yeah, this is just, and it works good for me.
Use both and it works good for you, right?
Both of them, and I don't get leaks. Leaks are people's worst nightmares.
Yeah.
Yeah, they
I
don't.
don't like callbacks. Yeah, putting fittings on, you have to have a feel for it, because you could either leave them too loose or too tight, or it's all about feeling it. There's
Yeah, this is the gas pipe. You just cleaning it off the old one.
we're putting new elbows on instead of using the old ones. Somewhere it's a potpourri mix, galvanized and old. Not supposed to use galvanized on gas.
What do you call this kind of dope you're using on here?
It's just pipe dope, and you got to read the pipe dope to see if it's compatible with natural gas, oils. Every pipe dope, you see if it's good for potable water. This is Blue Monster, and I have good luck with it.
Blue Monster.
Hold on.
Yeah.
There, hippie, so I didn't get conked.
How long has Honest Jardys been in business now?
Too long.
Little discharge.
Discharge tube on there for safety purposes. You don't want anybody getting hurt. So with all their fancy unions and shut-offs that they put them in the wrong spot. It's never gonna. You never get the same water heater unless you buy two of them that day.
Yeah.
So, unions are the biggest waste of money. It's faster for me to cut it and just press it on.
See where everything goes, laying it out dry. Screwing the cap in there. Eyeing it up. Putting the pipe. Gotta put the smoke pipe together.
Smaller they are, the harder they're to get together. There's probably a trick, I haven't found it yet.
Screw them together. Yeah. You clean that out.
Yeah, deburr the inside. The water flows better. And I gotta sand the outside so you don't put a cut into the O-ring in the Pro Press. Rough edges off so we don't cut the O-ring. Okay. You insert it, mark the depth so you know how you have it. And all the way. 3/4 of an inch. Do the same to all fittings. Okay. continue on.
Yeah, Gary. Use this flashlight
Yeah,
here.
These fittings have a little rubber O-ring inside of it. See it in there? We're using a
Oh,
squeezing tool. And it squeezes it. Light the pilot. Go ahead.
make sure the gas valve's on, light the pilot, you switch the lever to pilot, press it down, hit the spark, and it's just like a gas grill. You look inside, and if you look inside there with the camera, you can see this pilot's on.
Yeah.
Hold it down for 20-30 seconds. There, you got it. You
Yep.
see it.
Yep.
You get 20-30 seconds, it heats up the thermocouple and opens the gas valve up
Yep.
to let the pilot stay on. And then when you release that, naturally now I can't turn it on because we're filling the water heater up. But
Yeah.
as soon as we get to that, all right, there's the settings. I put it on the factory. That's what they recommend. If it's too cold, you turn it to A.
Yeah.
It's still called B, but usually, me, I like it on A. But since we got a senile person living in here, he's senile, and we don't want him to get burned.
Mark the date on the.
Today is October 27th,
Yep.
Yep.
2017.
Yep.
6-year warranty.